Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial we are going to make capital letter A. It is very easy letter to make and we are going to use for this letter 3mm crochet hook or whatever size you prefer, and as well I'm going to use some double knit yarn. You will need scissors as well. The size of this letter after finished using 3mm crochet hook and double knit yarn will be approximately 6.5 centimeter height or 2.6 inches. For this letter we will be working in rows and it does not require any assembly, so it's very easy to make. If you are new to crocheting you shouldn't be struggling. So let's start making this letter. And we are going to start with chain of 30 stitches. We have chain of 30 stitches. And now we are going to move to our row number 1. We're going to start our row from the second chain. So we're skipping last chain and moving to the second chain. And we're going to do just one single crochet in the second chain. Let's do our one single crochet. That's it, we did one single crochet. And next step will be one single crochet in next 12 stitches. So let's do one single crochet, next 12 stitches. So in total now we have 13 single crochets in our first row. Next step will be decrease of 3 stitches at once. We're going to get 3 stitches on our hook, stitch 1, 2 and 3, and we're going to do decrease of 3 single crochets at once. And now we have remaining 13 stitches till the end of our row. So our sequence will be one single crochet in next 13 stitches till the end of our row number 1. Finished our row number 1. That's how our letter looks after finishing row number 1, and at the end of our row number 1 we have 27 stitches in a row. Now we are moving to row number 2. We're going to start our row number 2 with chain of 1 stitch, and then we're going to turn and work backwards, and it will start with single crochet in the same stitch. That's our chain number 1, and then single crochet in next 11 stitches. We did single crochet in 11 stitches. And now we are going to do 3 single crochet decrease again. 1, 2 and 3. And we did another 3 single crochet decrease. And now we have 12 stitches remaining till the end of our row. So we're going to do 1 single crochet in each of these stitches. Will be 12 stitches in total. We came to the end of our row number 2, and in total at the end of our row number 2 we have 25 stitches in a row, and that's how our letter A looks now. We're going to turn it and we are going to do slip stitch in next 5 stitches. Make sure that your slip stitch is not tight, it's quite loose. Otherwise it's gonna shrink our letter. So 1 slip stitch, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We did a slip stitch in 5 stitches and we moved up. In our letter we moved up here. Now we are going to do chain of 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We did a chain of 5 stitches. It's our middle bead for our letter A, and now we need to join it with slip stitch in the same position in the other side. So 5 stitches up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to join in the 5th stitch. We need to join it in the 5th stitch again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to join it here with a slip stitch. Let's join it with the slip stitch. There you are. And that's so far how our letter A looks like. Now we are just going to do a few stitches into this chain so it looks a bit fatter and looks same as our body. We're going to do chain 1 and a single crochet in each of the stitches. It will be 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we did 5 single crochets into chain of 5. Now I'm going to join it with slip stitch to the main body. And that's how our letter A looks like. I'm gonna cut yarn off. If you're gonna be attaching this letter to something, I would say leave quite long tail for sewing, but as I'm not attaching this letter anywhere, I am just going to cut it off and finish it off. That's how our letter A looks like. If you want this to be a bit higher, so do let's say 6 or 7 slip stitches up, then this will move a bit higher, but it's good enough for me and it looks actually quite well. So that's it, we've done crocheting our letter A. It was quite nice and easy pattern without any assembly. So thank you for watching my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and please don't forget to visit my blog, which you can find on the description below. As well, on the description below you're gonna find written pattern for this letter and all other remaining letters. So again, thank you for watching and I see you in my next videos.